Go give it a run, yeah? Why not? When in Rome, baby. Fucking Lord, dude. What the fuck is the issue? Ah! The worst fucking place. Ah.
I got a rope. I can tie you right here, and I'll pull you all the way back to the gas station. Yeah?
Fuck it.
I ride too, so I was like, oh, I gotta help you.
Thank you, dude.
That's your report. Listen.
All right. Thank you, dude. Let me give you a hug, dude. Thank you, man.
We did it.
Holy shit. You have like Venmo or Zelle?
No, we're
Huh?
not doing that.
Come on, dude.
Bro,
Let me.
I love riding. Look, love riding. I love riding, bro. I'm all about riding. Bro.
Well, I'm thankful, dude. I'm so thankful, dude.
If I ever
Thank
see
you so much.
See you at the rock store in Neptune's Net, just say what's up.
Will do. Alex, right?
Alex.
See ya, man. Thank you so much, dude. Man. Hope this works. Nice. Now we're getting the quick of death. We're home, baby. We are home.